Well, today we're keeping an eye on a severe threat in the eastern U.S. This is going to be dealing with some large hail damaging wind and even some isolated tornado potential. But on the northwestern flank of this particular storm system, we have some heavy rain and snow. And some of that snow could be adding up to shovelable, plowable amounts, especially closer to the Great Lakes. And then the western U.S. will be warmer once again. All right, so here's the severe weather concern on Wednesday from the southern coast of New Jersey to central Florida. And then within the particular orange and red coloring, that'll be the best chance of some large hail damaging winds and even tornadoes. In fact, a moderate risk today for parts of North Carolina and southeastern Virginia. So on the leading edge of this particular storm system, another line of showers and storms starting to get going again by this afternoon and evening. We'll be watching this line through at least the early overnight hours, but then by tomorrow morning that'll be shifting east. Again, on the northwestern flank of that, cold enough for some snowfall. In fact, some pretty decent amounts working up through the Great Lakes tonight and into early Thursday before kind of diminishing, but we will see some additional snowfall in the northeast on Thursday as its storm peels away. Back to the west, we're starting to dry out through the end of the week, and really no precipitation over a 5-day period in the southwest, but there's that heavier moisture lifting from the Great Lakes into the northeast with heavier snowfall from, well, parts of the northwestern Ohio Valley and then back into the Canadian areas. Back to the west, though, underneath that ridge over the next 6 to 10 days, which actually takes us into the early part of March, we are going to be warming up to above average levels. For today, though, that storm system will tug down cooler air, and we're going to be about 10-15 degrees below average in the lower Mississippi Valley. Readings here, New Orleans will be at 57, 61 in Dallas, and after highs in the 60s in Phoenix yesterday, today we'll be into the 70s. 37 in Minneapolis, and by Thursday you can see readings back into the 80s in the southwest and watching some snowfall develop or at least kind of diminish over the Great Lakes Thursday. Have a good one.